Hey, my wife and I are expecting a child soon, so we are all about safety. So we picked up this LifeVac just in case we have an emergency situation. Here's everything that comes in the bag. So what I like is that it gives you like a practice mouthpiece here because you don't want to use this for the first time ever when you're having an emergency. When you are going to need this, it has sealed packages here. It has like a child size and it has an adult size. So I like that it comes in different sizes, and I like that they're nice and sealed, makes sure they're sanitary. Now here is the pump itself. You just put your mouthpiece on your pump. It's basically like a suction cup. You push the plunger down and then it creates air suction as you pull it back out. So nothing goes through when you're pushing down because you don't want to push that object back in. It's going to create suction and hopefully pull whatever is in my throat out. Kind of demonstrate on this counter. Create the seal, push down. I'm pulling this right now. You can see the suction that it creates. There's some instructions right on the back here. It's also got some clear, easy instructions on the package in itself in case you're trying to read this quickly in an emergency. There's also some instructional videos. So what I would make sure you do is learn how to use this thing first. That way you're prepared in case of emergency. But overall, I think this is a very ingenuitive device. Hopefully I never need to use it, but it's nice to have the peace of mind in case I do.